Here we are. Got a ThyssenKrupp. And here's a funky little stairwell. I have powers. I can see into the future. I know when the elevator's gonna get here. It's got a side door.
What's funny is that the fixtures even identify that it has a side door.
We can watch both indicators.
Yes, hopefully we don't have to pick us, but we probably will.
Oh my. Yeah, we'll go back. 1.
7. Should go 7.
Oh, okay.
So we can go to
We just hit them both at the same time.
7.
We're stopping. Watch people.
1.
We'll watch people get on anyway.
Oh, no.
Or not.
Because it's its own floor.
I was gonna say, of course, that lady stood right in the middle of where I needed to point the camera. The lady stood right in the middle of where I was gonna point the camera. I was like, anywhere else? You could have gone anywhere else.
I should back up so you can see both sides too.
I didn't want her to be like looking back at me. Are you filming me? Fucking weirdo. Anyway, back to
cool,
M.
I guess so, yeah. Maybe we can get a ride. It's interesting. It does have. It says open door side, closed door side.
Oh yeah.
Front.
Usually says rear. That's interesting.
It's with a fairly rare fixture set now.
Yeah, you don't see. This is probably one of the newest TK traditional I've ever seen.
Well, 2010's traditional is incredibly uncommon. This is a cool elevator, though.
Neat, yeah, it's unique. These mountain towns, they have funky elevators too, because they're so hilly. And I like that lantern in the door frame. That's nice.
Yeah, I wonder if this is a new.
That's it.